Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about a dictionary comprehension in Python. Dictionary comprehension is a one-line code that transforms a dictionary into another dictionary with modified values. For example, if we want to update the values of the dictionary from integers to floats, we can use dictionary comprehension. So let's see an example. We have our dictionary and have some keys with values. And now we are going to convert dictionary values into floats. So this will be our D2 set to K for key. We're going to convert the value into float for each key value. In our dictionary 1, and we are going to call its items function. And now we are just going to print our dictionary 1, and we can run our script. Oh, this should be dictionary 2 because we get the value saved in our 2. And now our dictionary has float values. In our next example, we are going to divide all the values in the dictionary by 2. So, for example, I'm just going to cover this. We are going to use the same dictionary, and we're going to have same D2 and this will be key, and we are going to divide the value by 2 for each key and value. And our dictionary D1, and we are going to call its function items, and then we are just going to print our dictionary. Now we can run our script, and here are those values divided by 2. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you.